I was trying to come up with something for dinner, and what do I have? Let's use it. Oh yeah, we're making a fish jambalaya today. I have this New Orleans style jambalaya mix. Doubt that, but okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm reading this box. Whatever, okay. Let's play with this. Yesterday we made some really fantastic stuffed boudin egg rolls, topped with a creamy, cheesy, spicy crawfish sauce. I've got this cast iron skillet here. Let's put this on, let's go medium. Let's put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that start melting. We're not following the box instructions per se. So let's start with, I have some leftover Cajun Trinity here. Put that in there. Some sea salt. Some crushed black pepper. And we're gonna put a little bit of Creole seasoning. Slap your mama. That's what we're using today. We'll let this saute. It's on medium. We're gonna go up to a 7. I know this was not on the box instructions. That's okay. It doesn't make it wrong, I don't think. We're gonna find out. We're gonna add some garlic. And I have this pre-minced garlic in the fridge I need to use up. So 1 tablespoon of that. I don't wanna cook it more than maybe a minute. I'll turn this heat down to 2, which is about a lowish. It smells amazing, by the way. So this is fish we caught, and it's not in little pieces. So I'm going to cut it into little pieces and let it cook. Would have been way easier on a cutting board to do this, but I'm washing mine. Don't let anything burn. Fish takes almost no time to cook. Just do a little bit more. That smells good. The fish is still not cooked, but that's okay because now we're gonna add 2.5 cups of water, but I added chicken broth to it. Now I want to bring this to a boil. So we're going back to a 7. Let it get to a boil. Ooh, man down. Let's put in this rice mixture from this box. There's my good old lid. Putting that on. Let's go to a simmer, which is about a 1 on an electric stove for 25 minutes. Stir occasionally. We got a few more minutes to go. I'm going to taste it. I'm gonna take it off the heat, move it over here, let it rest for like 5 minutes. Time to eat. Yummy, delicious.